everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to cook stir-fry spicy pork with lemongrass and basil leaf. For the ingredient I have 230 grams of pork, 70 grams of lemongrass, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, half teaspoon of canned sugar, quarter teaspoon of salt, 3 chilies, and 87 grams of basil leaf. Okay, right now I'm going to cut the green chili. Okay, right now it's time to cook. In the hot pan, I'm going to add olive oil. And then add garlic inside. After cook the garlic about 20 seconds, right now I'm going to add lemongrass inside and cook about 20 seconds on the high heat. Okay, right now I'm going to add pork inside. And then add salt, sugar, fish sauce. Okay, right now I'm going to continue cooking until all the juice dry out, and then I'm going to add green chili inside. Okay, right now the juice already dry out, so it's time to add green chili inside. Okay, right now the green chili already cooked, so I'm going to add the basil leaf inside. Okay, right now the spicy pork with lemongrass and basil leaf is ready, so I'm going to turn off the heat and then transfer to the plate. It looks so nice and smells so good, and right now I'm going to try it. It tastes so good. Spicy, lemongrass, and the smell of basil leaf is perfect. For the recipe, you can serve with the steamed rice. Thank you everyone for watching my video, and please like and subscribe to my channel for more video. Bye.